up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Hopefully you'll stay a while, watch some more content, subscribe before you go, and all of that good stuff. But today I got some fire for you. I ain't even gonna lie, I got some fire for you. This wig is great for the summertime. It's super quick. It's a headband wig, so you already know that. But like, look at the color, look at the waves and the curls and the vibes. Like, it's serving. So let's get into it. So Beauty Forever sent me over a wig. Shouts out to Beauty Forever for sending me over this wig and collaborating with me on today's video. This is what their packaging looks like. Inside is the wig, and we're gonna just set that to the side and we'll get back to it in a second. They gave a slew of headbands. My favorite is the leopard one. Like, I love the leopard one because I already have like 2 headbands like those, but the leopard one is my favorite. And they gave your girl some wig caps, and we can never have enough wig caps. So now let's get to the wig. Look at this color. Like, it is really not showing up the way that it needs to on camera. Like, it still looks cute on camera, but like, the camera is not doing it no justice. That's why at first I'm like, am I tripping? Do it look like that on in person? Because in person it looks like so good, but on camera it looks a little bit more like red. But in person it's just super bronzy, and like the blonde, like the 613 pieces are just so cute throughout, but I feel like you can't really see it all the way on camera. But you know, it has the typical construction. This is 26 inches long. It does have adjustable straps, so you know I love that for me and for you. The hair was really soft. I did not co-wash it. I don't recommend that, but for you know, time constraints and stuff like that, I had to do what I had to do. But and I just really wanted to keep that wave because I know like once it's washed it'll never get that like super sharp wave again. But at this point I'm obsessed. And like I said, I adjusted the adjustable straps because they do have them on this wig, which I love. I adjusted them, and then it fit like super snug on my head, so I love that. And then this time around I did kind of like just pull the headband back, and as you can see, I'm obsessed. Like, I love the way this wig looks. And like I said, the camera is really making it look a little bit more red than it is. It's so bronzy and beautiful. But now we're gonna pop open our leopard headband and pop her on because I felt like it just looked so cute with the color of the hair and everything. The hair quality is really good. The hair felt super soft. This is not my first wig from Beauty Forever, so I already know the hair quality is good. But also I recommend, if you're wearing a headband wig, to like show a little bit of your hair, because it just makes it look that much more natural. I really like this. Okay, I need this up here to have some volume though, because this is so cute. Okay, so with the headband wig, like, the styling time is just super quick, and this is how I think I'm gonna keep it. I am in love with this. This looks so pretty. I love the color. We all love a good body wave joint, like, and this is just its natural texture, like, you know, like how it comes. Look at those waves, like, they look so nice. I love this. This color is so pretty, because I thought it was gonna be more like a blonde, and it is like brown and blonde, but I thought it was gonna be more like blonde, but it's like a, I don't even know, like, this color is so bronzy. So bronzy. It's like a bronzy color. It looks very bronzy and very golden, and it is very pretty. Like, I'm in love with this color, this curl pattern. Like, I mean, I was expecting to like this. That's why I, you know, picked this one out. But my God, this is so cute. And I love it, like, with this headband. Like, I love that they gave me this headband. I love this headband. Thank you so much, Beauty Forever. Like, this is gonna be a headband that gets worn like crazy. Okay, let me see if I could do like a pony. I don't want to like see how a pony will look. A nice high pony. Let me see. It looks looks really cute in the ponytail as well. Love that. So I really love this and I definitely recommend it. So once again, shouts out to Beauty Forever for sending me over this wig and collaborating with me on today's video. If you're interested in this wig, I will leave all of the links down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop that in the comments and let me know what you thought. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll catch you on my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, and whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.